ating awit ay iginuhit.
Nag-start kami way back 2015. Then we have more than a decade na kami magkasama. From high school, college, hanggang sa mag-work, siya yung kasama ko sa buhay.
Paanong natupad?
In 10 years of being with you, I've seen all the versions of you, the good ones and the bad ones. But I'm proud to say that over the years, you became the best version of yourself.
Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawari, ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita.
You're my biggest dream na nangyari sa buhay ko.
You are truly the man of my dreams. I can't imagine living life without you.
And I always here for you, no matter what.
You make my life so much better. Princess treatment talaga. And super spoiled ako sa'yo. Alam ng lahat yon. I always ask God, how did I get so lucky to have you?
Your best friend, your man, your hobby. So ito na, Mrs. A ka na, finally.
Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin? Dalangin kita.
Sa bawat pag-iyak, pagtawa, pagdaan ng problema, tagumpay, lahat yan, tinahak namin ng magkasama.
Excited na ako makabuo ng family with you. Kahit saan man tayo pumunta, basta magkakasama tayo, masaya ako. I love you so much. I can't wait to see you.
Tingin sa libo-libong mga.
Actually, mixed emotions ako ngayon. Happy, excited, kinakabahan mamaya. Pero excited ko na makita yung groom ko.
Nicole, Kanilaw, Aguinaldo ka na.
Dalangin kita.
Sa mga upcoming years, Mrs. A ka na, Mrs. na kita. Sa lahat ng tao, wala na akong sasabihin girlfriend, asawa ko na.
What if I told you that I've fallen? A heart-shaped arrow through my chest. I'll make you breakfast every morning.
Dian! Jel, this is for you. To my sister. Mahirap i-open. Mahirap. Ayaw pa buka. May gagawin na.
Hindi pa pala nabubuksan yung isa.
Thank you!